everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Panda Girl Gamer, and today I am playing Animal Crossing. Today is Wednesday, and before I start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. Alright, so we're here with Isabel, so let's see what she says. Oh, she's got some from Maple Leaf. Okay. Alright, so I think the world on here is changing the weather. Like right now it's supposed to be nice and sunny, but apparently not. So yeah. So today, guys, I'm just gonna be playing around. Sorry if it's dark. I've kinda, ignore the darkness. I don't know why it's so dark. I haven't played this for a while. Yeah, so today I'm not really doing any challenges today. So I'm just gonna go around and just kinda do whatever. And it looks like it's fall, so yay. It's not supposed to be fall, like it's supposed to be spring or summer. I don't know what is going on. I think just I have a different climate, maybe. That could be it too. But, yeah. Oh, I guess I should talk to my people because they probably know I was gone. He talked to me about ghosts, but I don't think I want to talk about ghosts. Thank you very much. We're just going to pick this up. Aloe, so cute. I haven't really played my Animal Crossing a lot. I think I just got bored, but I'm using my my Nintendo Switch Lite, not my original one today, so gonna pick up everything I need. So yeah, I'm just gonna be gathering some stuff. Oh yeah, last time they gave me a birthday party, and I forgot about that. Okay, I'm just gonna Alright, pick some weeds. I'm gonna see what Tom Nook has for me. Just picking up all these, so yeah, I haven't, like I said, I haven't played this for a very long time. Oh, there's one of my friends. Yeah, I haven't played this for a long time. And there's my other friend, hello. Oh, what did I earn today? I earned one of these, yay! The store, where? Oh, here's the store. I'm gonna see what they have in here. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a certain table or counter table. Well, that's neat. No, I'm not going to buy that. I'm just gonna sell. Okay, so I'm just gonna sell these. Wow, I have a lot of money. I redeemed something else. Whoa, I got 4. Sweet. Alright, I gotta open my present. What did I... Homemade cake. Can I eat it? Aw, it's a kitty cake. Whoa. And I'll eat my cupcake. Yep, this is birthday cupcake. I had this for my birthday on the Animal Crossing. If you guys did miss that, a birthday party or birthday surprise on Animal Crossing, you can check it out. I did it on Saturday, not on Wednesday, because my real birthday was on the 6th on Saturday. So, yeah. Oh. Okay, let's see. Ooh, oh, go talk to... Oh, there's my little guy. Matilda. I forgot I got her 1 month ago. Yeah, I forgot about you. I think my last video, I went to another island and I think I got her. Or yeah, her. I thought it was a her, but I don't know for sure. Hello, I'm gonna have a cappuccino. Oh, there's my favorite guy, the bird. Oh, I can't get on. There we go. Sure. It's weird, like in that little place, it's so quiet. I don't understand why, but yeah. I'll drink it. It's perfect just as it is. And now I can probably leave this station. Oh yeah. Normally he'll like start talking to me for some reason. Do. Hi dude. Bye dude. I do like playing Animal Crossing. It's a fun game, and I just haven't played it for quite some time. Ooh, I wonder if they got anything new. Probably some new clothes, I would think. Ooh, we got some new outfits. Ooh. Okay. That's kind of cute, I guess. Ooh, I like that too. It's like a costume. I don't know what I like best. I think I like this blue one. No, I don't know if I really need a hat. Oh my god, they got a DJ one? Oh yeah. That's perfect. And shoes. Any cool shoes? Maybe these. Yes. Oh yeah, I look cute. Thank you. Anyway, guys, I am going to end this for today because I have program today, or I gotta go somewhere today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!